Well, I'm very happy to announce that uh, in our negotiations with PhilHealth in the last 2 weeks has remitted 2.2 million to LCGH. And with this 2.2 million, we can pay the sweldo of our permanent empleyado for 1 month. So I'm very happy to announce that. Um, we are continuing to negotiate with PhilHealth. We're continuing to reconcile our books with the books of PhilHealth. Please understand that both myself and Dr. Awapan have been in touch with the Vice President of PhilHealth. Also, I've also communicated with the President of PhilHealth, with President Mandy Ledesma. Okay, and PhilHealth has created a team in order to consolidate the claims of LCGH. And there was a gentleman who just came to us this morning from PhilHealth. I will allow Dr. Wapan to be the one to explain that to you. But be that as it may, I just want to inform our kailian and to inform the people that we are working very hard to solve the problem of LCGH and to solve the problem. I made a commitment during the anniversary celebrations to the empleado that I would do everything I could to solve the problem of their back pay. Okay, so we're already beginning now. Okay, we can already pay for 1 month, and the way negotiations are going, I believe that we'll be receiving much more money in the future, which will allow us to pay the sweldo of our empleado on time. Okay, so our negotiations with PhilHealth are going very well, and I want to take this opportunity to thank PhilHealth, to thank the President Mandy Ledesma, for all that they're doing in reconciling their books with us, reconciling their utang with LCGH. So it's very good, and we will continue to negotiate with them. And I want to also take this opportunity to thank the Office of the President, because the Office of the President also helped us. And by the way, the Office of the President is also helping us in other matters as well. Okay? So in the future, I'll be able to announce other things to you.